I am a starter, not a finisher. I've started many projects, many goals, many dreams. But the day after perfect, I gave up. What's the day after perfect, you ask? It's the day that, you start off your goals strong. I'm going to go to the gym every day. But then that one day, you missed it. And you're like, well, I guess I'm done. I already messed up. Why continue? I'm going to run 3 miles a day. But you forget to run one day. Well, guess I better quit. That's the day after perfect. I think we all struggle with it. I know I have. But going forward, it's not about being perfect. You did something for 10 days straight. You did something for 30 days straight. You did something for 2 months straight. And you messed up one day. You got 60 out of 61. You got 99 out of 100. Who cares? Keep it going. You missed one day? That's one day out of 365 days. Keep going. So join me as we reset, reimagine, and rebuild. It is time to achieve the dream.